Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am to tell you 3 common roles in data science. The first role we are going to discuss is data scientist, and then data engineer, and then the third one is data analyst. Data scientist, also called statistician, data managers. So a data scientist will be able to take data science projects from end to end. Basically, a data scientist is the man who can take data science projects from one end to another end. They can help store large amount of data, create predictive modeling processes, and tell stories about the findings. So a data scientist can help store large amounts of data in bulk amount of data, create predictive modeling process, and tell stories about findings. And then we have average salary, skills for data scientist, and tools used. Data engineer, also called data architects. So the data engineers are versatile generalists who create data pipelines to help process large amounts of data. They typically focus on coding, cleaning up data sets, and implementing requests that come from data scientists. And then we have data engineers requirements, salary, and tools for it. The next in this article we have the third role is data analyst. It is also called business analyst. A data analyst helps people from across the company understand data insights they've unearthed. So a data analyst helps people in the company to understand different types and aspects of data. These are the skills and average salary and tools needed for data analyst, and then how do the roles connect. So mathematics, stat, algorithm, data engineer and data analyst, and data scientist, software engineering and data engineer. And then we have data communication and data analyst. Typical majors: the mathematics is first major, and then engineering is second, physics is third, and computer science and statistics and economics and business. So these are the typical majors for data science. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah.